Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got some bolt protectors I want to share with you. I'm going to use them on my catalytic converter shield, which kind of acts as kind of a skid plate, but it's more just to protect the catalytic converters. And I'm just going to share them with you. So let's check it out. So check these out. I was looking around on the Barnes 4x4 page, and they sell a lot of stuff for Jeeps if you're fabricating or outfitting your Jeep to go rock crawling and off-road and stuff. They sell a lot of metal parts that you can use. And I saw these on their fabrication page, and what these are is these are originally made for skid plates. And these are to protect the bolts underneath the skid plate, so you don't end up grinding off the little hex head or whatever it is, or the little bolt, and not being able to use a wrench to remove it. So these protect the bolt, which is great. So what I'm going to use these for, though, is I'm going to use these to add more security to my catalytic converter shield. And this will really slow down the guys with the sawzalls or whatever. They might get mad and do something else, but take something else. But this will keep them from getting that catalytic converter security plate off. It'll just, they could cut through these. It'll take a long time. And, when they steal things like catalytic converters, time is important. So, I'm going to show you these, and I'm going to put them on and talk about them a little bit more, but check those out. Now, I have clear coated these with a Rust-Oleum clear coat, and then I'm going to probably hit them with some flat black or matte black Rust-Oleum as well. But, check these out. They're like $5 a piece, maybe $4 something a piece, and you can get them in different diameter holes depending on the bolt and the application. So there they are, and let's get these installed. Hey guys, I'll put a link to Barnes 4-wheel drive underneath the video in the description. And if you would, also go over and check out my Amazon affiliate store that I've started. It has like all the things that I have bought on Amazon for my Tundra, the Tacoma, things I use for car detailing, camping, the Subaru, different things. I know you're interested in the Tundra, so you'll find a lot of things on there. I buy from Amazon because of their return policy. It's really hassle-free, and I don't have to sit there and discuss with somebody why I'm returning something. I can just return it. So anyways, that's why I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. But if you would, go check out my store and see what you think. Do your research whenever you're looking at something on Amazon or wherever. Do your research, read the reviews, and see what you come up with before you go and bite the bullet and buy something expensive like a bumper for your truck or something, or some wheels. So anyways, check that out. And there we have the front ones installed, so rocks won't smash the bolts and you won't be able to remove them if they do that. So here we have the front ones installed that protect it from hitting rocks or from being cut off. Now, it won't completely eliminate, somebody going to the trouble of trying to cut these off, but it will slow them down, and speed matters. So let's go ahead and install the last one and get that done. So there you go. There's some extra security added. I got one done. Let's go ahead and do the others. So there you have it. You can see those protective bolts. So I know this was a short video, but I wanted to share these bolt protectors with you. They have lots of applications. Let me know in the comments below if you have any ideas of what you can use them for. I used them for the catalytic converter shield. If I had some skid plates, I would use them for that. I haven't got that far yet. So, you know, tell me what you think. If you would, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment, and I will get back to you right away. And I will see you next time. See ya.